I'm a licensed dentist, and I wouldn't give my own mother traditional veneers. Here's why. If you hide your teeth when you smile, watch this video right away. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to get a beautiful, natural-looking smile without drilling your teeth or shelling out thousands of dollars. In fact, you don't even need to leave your home. I'm Dr. Dean, and I've spent over a decade perfecting smiles in my office. I've installed countless veneers for my patients, covering up all sorts of unsightly dental issues. But when my own mother asked me for veneers, I realized something that changed my life. You see, I would never recommend traditional veneers to my mother. Not only is it expensive, it causes permanent damage to your teeth. You can never go back. That's when I realized, if I wouldn't do this to my own mom, why would I do it to anyone? So I made it my mission to find a better way. I teamed up with other dental professionals to create a smarter solution, one that anyone can use without the risk of pain, debt, or regret. It took us years to create Shiny Smile Veneers. These snap-on veneers look just as real and feel just as comfortable as permanent veneers. But Shiny Smile is much more affordable, completely non-invasive, and totally painless. Even though we just started, I'm proud to say that we already have more than 100,000 happy customers, with over 12,000 five-star reviews and an average rating of 4.8 out of 5. We're even voted the #1 option for veneers by top dentistry publications. People truly love them. Here's how it works. First, we'll send you our easy impression kit to create a custom mold of your mouth at home. Next, our professional dentists will create custom veneers just for you at our lab in Texas, with high-quality, biocompatible materials to your exact impressions. You can even choose from 3 natural shades to match your look. When they arrive, just snap them right in. Thanks to our precise manufacturing and design process, they'll fit your mouth perfectly. And since they're ultra-thin and comfortable, you never have to take them off. You can even eat while wearing them. Just like traditional veneers, they look like your real teeth, even up close. Nobody will ever know you're wearing veneers. That's because your veneers are created by actual dentists, just like traditional models. That's why I believe Shiny Smile is the best choice for anyone with cosmetic dental problems. We're so confident you'll love them. We back every order with a 3-year warranty, and you can try them for 60 days completely risk-free. If you're not totally satisfied with your smile, simply return them for a refund. But once people start treating you differently, and you start feeling the freedom of smiling with your teeth showing, I can't imagine you'll ever go back. And you don't have to. With your custom impression, your Shiny Smile veneers fit like a glove and look completely natural. It's like giving your smile an instant makeover that lasts for years. So if you've been waiting for a sign to fix your teeth, this is it, because you won't find a better solution anywhere else. And for a limited time, I'm offering everyone watching this up to 50% off your order. But you have to act fast because our lab can only handle so many custom orders at once. When demand surges, we can never guarantee when we'll be available again. So click the link below to get started now. Your new smile and all the compliments that will come with it are waiting for you.